Greetings. My name is Amindra, and I am here today to give you a short summary of Through Time and Space Season 1, so that you are well prepared for Season 2. Kara cheats on her husband with Rick. Zdankar spies and Kara breaks up with Rick. Zdankar blackmails Kara, forcing her to go back in time to retrieve her stolen heritage, or she will tell. Kara comes to middle ages. There she must get a book from Zdankar's ancestor Miranda, who is a witch. Miranda and Kara meet in a magic duel. Kara loses her clothes. Kara steals the book, but the time machine is gone. Miranda turns Kara into a toad and tries to cook her. She is rescued by the villagers, who chase away Miranda. A villager called Olave kisses Kara, so she is human again. Kara goes to ancient times. Zdankar sends letters, telling her she can see her. Kara goes in pool. Citizens get angry. Kara wants to buy Aena Sistella's shield. Aena Sistella gets angry, tells Gastus to throw her to the tigers. Kara begs. Aena Sistella says Kara must find a fighter to the annual death contest no one wants, and Kara offers herself. Kara sleeps. Zdankar spies. Kara regrets. She must still. Valistia gives clothes and trains Kara. Kara fights in the death contest. Lion is a human and not a lion. Zdankar watches the fight. A Greek god helps Kara. Kara still has powers from the magic duel. She turns Lion into an armor. Kara wins. She gets the shield. She accidentally reveals she was thinking of stealing it. Aena Sistella wants the shield back. Kara flees through time. Kara arrives to the 1700s and gets captured by guards. She meets Doris, who gets angry if one doesn't call her Madame Dory. Kara forgets the letter and tries to flee. The honey guards want to rape her. Kara is put in prison. She gets released. Kara wants the letter back from Doris. Doris gets angry. She thinks Kara is a spy. Doris tells that her heritage is from Miranda. Kara says Miranda is nuts. Doris gets angry, because Miranda lived 300 years ago, so Kara has not met her. Kara insists. Kara gets thrown out. A boy claims he knows where her letter is. Kara must chase the mischievous boy. The boy fooled her. Kara sees a woman who looks just like her. Her name is Sarah and she is Doris's servant, and probably also Kara's ancestor. Sarah helps Kara, tricking Doris by changing clothes so Doris thinks Kara is Sarah. Kara succeeds to get the letter from Doris. She reads that she must get Doris's red dress. Kara tries to trick Doris that she is going to wash the dress, but Doris tells her to leave her for now. Kara steals the dress and gets chased to the time machine. Kara thinks she's home. Her house is changed. She is not home. She is in the 1940s with Zdankar's parents Elvira and Ernst. Kara must babysit infant Zdankar, or she will get reported to the police. Kara goes to read the letter. Ernst spies and thinks Kara tries to flee. Ernst takes the letter and reads it. It says that Zdankar wants Kara to sterilize Ernst so that her evil little sister never will be born. Ernst thinks it is a bad joke because Zdankar is only 3 months old. Kara takes care of Zdankar and considers whether or not she should hurt Zdankar so that she cannot be so mean when she gets old. Infant Zdankar can speak and knows about Kara. The baby warns her, and Kara puts Zdankar down. Kara finds out who lived in her house in the 1940s. It is an inventor. He tells that the Janjetsi family takes everything he invents because he's deeply in debt to them. Zdankar comes to the 1940s. Kara chases her but fails. Kara asks the scientist for help. The scientist built the time machine. The scientist fixes the time machine, but it struggles. It sends her to all the times she has visited. But finally she's home. She chases Zdankar into a building. Zdankar locks her in the building. Zdankar says that Kara must retrieve the heritage from an alternative universe instead. Kara flies off in the building, which is a spaceship. Zdankar tells Kara that she must do several missions in space. One is to find out about alien technology. Kara finds an alien that speaks a funny language. The alien shows her a place called Simza. The queen and the alien argue. The queen gets mad at Kara for trying to follow the alien upstairs. Kara puts on strange glasses. Kara goes upstairs. The glasses made her able to speak and understand the alien language. The alien, whose name is Obi-Wanda, tells her that the queen is an evil queen named Taravaderia, and all others are slaves. Kara offers to bring the inhabitants to Earth in exchange of the education glasses. When they get in, everyone falls mysteriously asleep. Zdanka calls Kara and tells her that she stopped her, and that she must immediately retrieve the heritage, instead of doing missions, so that she won't get another chance to mess up. Kara steals the heritage from the alternative Zdanka. The alternative Zdanka wakes up the alternative Kara and forces her to steal it back again. Zdanka and alternative Zdanka steal the heritage from each other all the time because they only have one set. A flashback shows what Zdanka did after she sent away Kara through time. She meets Rick outside her door. Rick wants to apologize to Kara, but Zdanka lies that she doesn't know where she is. Rick can't go home. Zdanka offers her home in exchange of dirty jobs. Zdanka likes Icelandic fish crisps. Rick wakes up in the night because of a flash. Zdanka uses poor excuses. Zdanka celebrates that Kara is gone by going to the spa and karaoke bar. Zdanka made sure that the time machine cannot come back until 2 weeks. Rick must clean the outside toilet with poop in the box. Zdanka goes back in time each day to leave letters for Kara and to retrieve the monitoring film from the hidden cameras. That's how she could see Kara. 2 weeks later, Zdanka sees that Kara tries to smuggle aliens. She gasses them and tells Taravaderia. Zdanka wants to punish Kara. Kara comes back from space and sees her husband in the window talking to Zdanka. Zdanka breaks her promise and tells Kara's husband Steven, who is also Zdanka's nephew, that Kara cheated on him. Steven ends the marriage with Kara. Kara is furious. Kara and Zdanka fight. Then Kara wants to change time by stopping herself from having sex with Rick. Zdanka warns Kara about a time paradox. Kara doesn't listen. Kara stops herself. The whole universe goes boom. Now, no time can exist because Kara stopped an event that had already occurred. A new universe is created and the new timeline is messed up. Now, Zdanka has sex with Rick and Kara is the spying neighbor. Kara sends Zdanka away in the time machine, and thus ends season 1 of Through Time and Space. This was the end of the quick recap of the first season. Hope you will watch season 2 to find out what happened next. If you have any questions, post them in a comment or in a private message. Keep watching the video to view all the characters from the first season. My name is Amindra. Thank you and goodbye.